If you think back to the 1860s, we hunted whales almost to extinction because they have this oil that burns really, really brightly. It was really inconvenient to go out in the middle of the ocean to hunt whales, and oh yeah, all the whales died. How do we solve that? It was not through the standard say, I'm sorry, could you please turn down your light so the whales can survive? That wouldn't have worked, right? What did work was in Pennsylvania, we found oil, and you realize, oh, that's even better than whale oil, and you don't have to go out in the middle of the ocean to kill these big beasts. You can just, drill it out of the ground. And so essentially, the commercial interest in whaling dropped off the charts, and that's probably what saved most whales. It was not because we tried to do good, it was because we had innovation that made for a better product somewhere else. And so I think this is really the answer. If we make green energy cheaper than fossil fuels, we've solved the problem. Everybody will switch.